Dangerous yet mesmerizing, behold the sheer power of colossal machines at work and immerse yourself in moments of pure exhilaration. Let's go! The ZKT TMK 200 felling head is a specialized attachment designed for precision and power when handling tree removal tasks. This compact yet robust felling head can easily grab, cut, and manage trees with controlled efficiency. It's especially useful in tight spaces or dense forestry areas, offering operators reliable control while ensuring that trees are felled quickly and safely, making it an essential tool for modern forestry operations. A forestry harvester is a versatile and powerful machine used for efficient logging operations. Equipped with a cutting head that fells, delimbs, and cuts trees into predetermined lengths, it streamlines the entire timber harvesting process. Its precision and power allow for rapid tree removal while minimizing damage to surrounding vegetation, making it essential for sustainable and large-scale forestry operations. The CT 5100s. TTS XL is a robust, heavy-duty wood chipper designed for handling large-scale forestry and land-clearing tasks. With its powerful engine and wide feed opening, this machine can efficiently process large logs and branches into small wood chips. It's engineered for durability and efficiency, ensuring that even the toughest material is easily reduced. Operators appreciate its reliability and high output, making it an essential piece of equipment for professional logging crews or large-scale tree management operations. Its versatility and strength are key assets in challenging environments. A rotary splitter is a specialized tool used for efficiently splitting large logs into smaller, manageable pieces. It operates with a rotating blade or wedge that applies continuous pressure, making the splitting process smoother and faster compared to traditional methods. This type of splitter is ideal for heavy-duty tasks in logging operations or firewood production, where speed and precision are critical. Its powerful design allows it to handle dense and large diameter wood with ease, enhancing productivity and reducing manual labor significantly. The OMEF Big Inch 200 forestry shear is a heavy-duty tool designed for efficiently cutting and handling large trees and thick branches. Its robust design allows it to shear through tree trunks with ease, making it ideal for forestry work, land clearing, and tree management. The powerful hydraulics enable precise control, allowing operators to make clean, controlled cuts while minimizing waste. This tool is particularly effective for handling larger diameter trees, ensuring safe and efficient timber harvesting. The Fecon StumpX is grinding through a massive tree stump with remarkable precision and power. Its auger-like design digs deep into the stump, breaking it down methodically, leaving behind minimal debris. This efficient, low-speed grinder is ideal for handling tough stumps, making it a go-to tool for land clearing and tree removal, providing both power and control in a single, impressive package. Two heavy excavators working in perfect sync are skillfully maneuvering a massive log. Their powerful hydraulic arms grip the log securely, lifting it with ease despite its enormous size. The coordination between the operators and the strength of the machines ensures smooth, precise movement, making what would otherwise be a daunting task seem effortless. His movements are deliberate and precise, carving into the thick trunk with expert control honed over years. As the tree begins to sway, the immense size of the task becomes evident. But with one final cut, the giant succumbs, crashing to the ground in a thunderous, awe-inspiring moment. Schmid Sawmill in Ebnet/Entlebuch operates as a key player in the timber industry, specializing in processing local wood into high-quality lumber. With its precision saws and robust machinery, the sawmill transforms logs into beams, boards, and planks, all while maintaining sustainable forestry practices. The use of advanced technology ensures that even large, heavy logs are handled efficiently, making it a critical resource for local construction and woodworking industries.
driver as he faces a steep and treacherous incline. With logs piled high, the truck's engine roars to life as it climbs, showcasing the incredible torque and power needed to ascend. The driver's years of experience are on full display as he skillfully navigates the gradient, ensuring the load remains balanced and secure.
a different driver faces an even steeper slope, where the terrain becomes rocky and uneven. The truck struggles against gravity, but the operator remains calm and focused, utilizing the vehicle's features to maintain traction. The combination of skill and the truck's robust design makes for a gripping scene, as the driver ultimately reaches the top with the load intact. Where the driver must carefully control the truck's speed to prevent the heavy load from shifting. Every turn is approached with caution, demonstrating a deep understanding of the vehicle's dynamics and the need for precision. The powerful brakes and careful steering reflect the driver's professionalism, ensuring a safe passage down the hill.
Lá no caminhão não tem 10 metros, tá? O cara culpou lá no mato. Deu 23 metros. Hã? Foi embora. Eu carregava aqui 23 metros. 25 metros eu carregava aqui no baixo da casa.
Another driver confronting similar muddy conditions, but this time with a heavier load. As the tires spin in the soft earth, the driver expertly shifts gears, using the truck's power to find traction and push through. With every inch gained, the impressive strength of the machine shines, showcasing how vital both vehicle capability and driver expertise are in tough conditions. Navigating narrow paths. The truck's impressive turning radius and the driver's expert handling allow for tight squeezes between trees and rocks. This display of skill, coupled with the truck's formidable strength, the heavy-duty truck loaded with logs tackles a notoriously muddy stretch of road. The driver showcases impressive skill as he maneuvers the vehicle through deep puddles, keeping the momentum steady to avoid getting stuck. The sheer power of the truck is evident as it churns through the sludge, proving that with the right vehicle and a skilled operator, no terrain is too challenging, terrain is too... The cone splitter is an incredibly efficient tool for splitting large logs or tree stumps. Its rotating cone, powered by a hydraulic system, drives deep into the wood, breaking it apart with minimal effort. Ideally,
stavat ještě tu chalupku. No? To bude třídit milionáře z chatrče. Jsi chvilku